Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly evolving field that aims to develop computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision making, visual perception, and language translation. The field of AI has its roots in the early 1950s, with the development of the first computer programs that could play chess and solve mathematical problems. Since then, AI has progressed significantly, with the development of more advanced algorithms, neural networks, and deep learning techniques. The basics of artificial intelligence, AI, is built on the concept of machine learning, which is a subset of AI that enables computers to learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. This is accomplished through the use of algorithms that can identify patterns and trends in large datasets. Machine learning can be supervised, unsupervised, or semi-supervised. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, while unsupervised learning involves training a model on unlabeled data. Semi-supervised learning combines both supervised and unsupervised learning approaches. AI systems are typically trained on large datasets, which are used to teach the model how to recognize patterns and make predictions. These datasets can include anything from images and videos to text and speech. Once the model has been trained, it can be used to perform a variety of tasks, such as identifying objects in an image, translating text from one language to another, or predicting the likelihood of a particular outcome. Types of artificial intelligence. There are two main types of AI: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks such as speech recognition or spam filtering. These systems are highly specialized and can only perform the task they were designed for. General AI, on the other hand, is designed to be capable of any intellectual task that a human can perform. General AI is still largely in the realm of science fiction, and it remains to be seen whether it will ever be possible to create a system that can match or exceed human intelligence in all areas. Subfields of artificial intelligence. AI is composed of several subfields, each of which focuses on a different aspect of AI development. These subfields include machine learning. This is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that can learn from data. Natural language processing. This subfield focuses on enabling computers to understand and generate human language. Computer vision. This subfield deals with enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information. Robotics. This subfield involves designing and programming robots to perform tasks. Expert systems. These are computer programs that mimic the decision-making abilities of a human expert in a particular field. Applications of artificial intelligence. AI has numerous applications across a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, entertainment, and more. Some of the most significant applications of AI include healthcare. AI is being used to help diagnose medical conditions, develop personalized treatment plans, and identify patients at risk for certain diseases. Finance. AI is being used to identify fraudulent transactions, automate financial analysis, and develop investment strategies. Transportation. AI is being used to develop self-driving cars, optimize traffic flow, and improve the efficiency of logistics networks. Entertainment. AI is being used to create intelligent personal assistants, recommend movies and TV shows, and develop video game AI. The impact of artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment. However, it also raises concerns about the impact on jobs, privacy, and ethical considerations related to autonomous decision-making. One of the most significant concerns about AI is its impact on jobs. Many experts predict that AI will automate many jobs that are currently performed by humans, which could lead to widespread job loss and economic disruption.